Okay, so here we have an SAT math question, and it was taken from the SAT math question bank. So the question states, dimensions of your right rectangular prism are 4 inches by 5 inches by 6 inches. What is the surface area in square inches of the prism? So for a question like this, the best way to attack it is to potentially understand what a rectangular prism looks like and work from there. So if I was to draw out a rectangular prism, we can understand what its sides look like, right? And I'm going to label in my my dimensions, right? I have 4 here, I have 5 here, and this long side can be 6. Okay? So, what sides? And remember, if I find a surface area of one side, I just multiply it by the number of sides there are, right? For example, if I find the surface area of this side, I can just multiply it by 2, right? If I find the surface area of this side, I can multiply it by 2, and this side, I can multiply it by 2. Okay, so since that's out of the way, let's get to actually calculating. Remember, surface area is like wrapping paper, right? So we're finding the area that we can wrap this, we can imagine it like a present or a box that has dimensions of 4 by 5 by 6, and we're trying to wrap it, and we're trying to see how much paper we need to wrap it. Okay, so let's start with the front and the back, which is going to be my front and this is going to be my back. Okay, so it's going to be 4 times 5, right? And multiply by 2. Why? Because there's two sides. There's this one and this one. So what is 4 times 5? That is 20 times 2. That's going to be 40. Okay, so we've got that calculated. Now we need to do this side. 5 times 6. So we have 5 times 6 times 2. And remember, 5 times 6 gives us a value of 30. And we multiply by 2, we get 60. And then now we have these two sides, right? We've got 4 times 6. So we have 4 times 6 times 2. So what is 4 times 6? That's 24 times 2, 48. So now what are we going to do? We're going to add all of these surface areas together. So our total surface area, so I'm just going to do surface area is going to be equal to 40 plus 60 plus 48. And this is equal to 148. So therefore, our answer to this problem is 148.